Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Don't manage around the inquiry cover.
He made a statement.
He's only making passing time. I have given a complaint believing not on the Uday Madke but believe on the commissioner. Please understand, he's a government servant and he has got certain documents with him, certain files are with him. And he has said that he knows it. He never said that he would be looking into Madke because those who are in power and who enjoyed power and kept sleeping over this scam or pretended to sleep. You can wake up a person who's sleeping, you can't wake up a person who's pretending to sleep. Those who are sleeping also that time are also now shouting the scam.
तुम्ही कितले फॉलो करते?
Huh?
As per knowledge,
What is the fellow? He knows. He says he's got everything today. How we can say, brother?
That is why we have filed a police complaint to
What we
investigate
want
into the
to
matter.
see, we are not here to make charges against anybody. Let us be very clear. Political tamasha will keep aside. There's a lot of political tamasha we can make. It's a very serious charge.
So तुम्ही एक केस जशी सेल्युलरची तुम्ही फॉलो अप केली तशी तुम्ही करतले
100%.
till last.
Joint Secretary, Mariano, lawyer has come on this time. We have brought a lawyer.